Welcome children in bio class. Children, today I am going to teach you tonicity. You know what is the tonicity? Tonicity is the relative concentration of the solution. It determines the direction and extent of diffusion. Tonicity is the amount of tension developed in a system on account of occurrence of solute particles in it. So, how much is the tonicity of the solution? It depends on the amount of the solute particles present in the solution. Therefore, it is the relative concentration. There are three types of tonicity: isotonic solution, hypotonic solution, and hypertonic solution. Isotonic, iso means similar, tonicity, relative concentration, or the amount of solute present in the solution. So, two solutions are called isotonic solution if the concentration or osmotic pressure of both solutions are equal. It means two solutions has taken together and they are separated by semi-permeable membrane. So here two solution has taken together and this solution is separated by a semi-permeable membrane. This is the solution A and this is solution B. If and this is the semi-permeable membrane. If molecules of water neither can diffuse from A to B nor B to A, then that is, it means solution A and solution B both are having the same osmotic pressure, both solutions are having the same amount of solute and they are called isotonic. Second is, so isotonic, I told it means there is no movement of water molecules across this membrane. Second is hypotonic. Hypotonic means, hypo means lower and tonic means relative concentration. It means a solution in which the amount of solute present is lower, less. So that is hypotonic. If we are comparing the solution with the concentration of the cell site and in the solution amount of solute particles are less than in comparison to the cell site, then hypotonic solution is. And when a cell is placed in hypotonic solution, then water molecules move from outside into the cell through the cell membrane. So this is called endosmosis. So here also you can see there two solution has taken. One is solution A, other is solution B. In both solutions are separated by this semi-permeable membrane. Solution, if solution A molecules of water from solution A move into the solution B through this membrane, it means the solution A is hypotonic in comparison to the B. Solution A is hypotonic. Why it is hypotonic? Its reason is amount of solute present in solution A is less in comparison to B. Now, next one is hypertonic. Hypertonic, a solution whose concentration is higher than cell site. That solution is called hypertonic. So, hypertonic solution concentration is higher than cell site or amount of solute present in the solution is more than cell site. This you can understand taking the example same. There one container is, it is separated into two parts by a semi-pure membrane. This is part A and other one is B. In both solution has taken A and B. Now water molecules from B move into the A. It means relative concentration of solution A is higher than B. In the solution A, molecules of solutes are more in comparison to B. Therefore, solution A is called hypertonic solution. If you are comparing it with the cell shape, when a cell is placed in hypertonic solution, molecules of water from the cell diffuse into the solution. So this type of diffusion, from the cell molecules of water move out. So it is called osmosis. So children, you studied what is the tonicity, and on the basis of it, how many types of solutions are. So there are three types of solutions when we are comparing the tonicity of the solution: isotonic solution, hypotonic solution and hypertonic solution.